Welcome to Family Food Tale. Family that eats together, stays together. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you, which is a very favorite recipe of our younger daughter Kriti. Kriti is a born athlete and she's nothing short of Little Miss Nakhra. As a child, I remember she would always want to try something new, something different.
I'm a national level athlete. I run 100 to 100 meters track events. I'm studying in Loughborough University in the UK and it's the best sports university. I'm currently aiming for the 2020 Olympics.
This was one of the recipes I remember she would always ask for, thankfully. So every time I had to make some changes in that recipe, but she would enjoy eating this fried rice that I make for her. So let's start with this recipe, which is a fried rice. So first of all, I'm going to take some oil in a pan. And since she was an athlete, I wanted her to eat more of eggs also. So there's a nice way of camouflaging the eggs in the fried rice. Just pour some beaten eggs into a pan.
As an athlete, I know I should be eating a lot of proteins and eggs are the best source apparently, but I don't like eggs. She tries to make new styles of eggs, but I just don't like it.
And just scramble it. Just keep it a little soft. Don't overcook it. I'm going to add some pepper, fresh pepper, just for taste, and a pinch of salt. The eggs are scrambled and nice and moist. I'll just quickly remove it in a dish and keep it to cool. Now that our scrambled eggs are ready, I'm just going to take some more oil in a pan. Once we heat the oil, we're going to add some chopped garlic. Kriti is very fond of garlic. I remember when we used to make this for the tiffin, all her friends used to love it and she used to never get anything. She used to come, oh mummy, everybody ate, sabne mera dabba kha diya. Once we have sauteed the garlic, we'll add the onions, some chopped onions. Here I've taken some spring onions. You can take any onions that you have. Just going to add some shredded chicken to it because Kriti loves chicken. We'll just lightly saute the chicken so that it doesn't remain raw, but we don't want to overcook it. As a child, I remember Kriti used to love to come and help us to cook. So I remember once she came into the kitchen running and she came and sat on the counter and I was making this bhindi ki sabzi and she said, I'll help you. So she started chopping the bhindi and then she went and told her friends that I cut bhindi. Then one of her friends' mother called me and said, did you let her cut? She said, she's only 4 years old. I said, yeah, so what? As long as you can supervise it. I'm going to add some chopped carrots, some chopped peppers, different colored peppers. See how colorful it looks. And in this way, the kids even eat all the vegetables. Just going to add a bit of water, just so that the vegetables and the chicken is cooked a bit. Some salt to taste. Next, we're going to add some Szechuan sauce. When you give these things in the tiffin or when the kids eat it, Kriti loves it a bit moist. So just add a bit of sauce so it gives a nice moistness to it. I'm just hoping it comes out as good as it used to. I'm going to add the rice now. Here I've used some basmati rice, but you can use any rice that you have at home. Quickly add the scrambled eggs and give it a nice mix so that they don't get to know that there's egg in it. I love the colors that this rice has and you can't even see the eggs. It's nicely mixed inside. I think I'm going to just add a little bit more of the Szechuan sauce and just a spoon of ketchup just to keep it moist. So we used to have this fight always at home. Kriti would say, I want to eat fried rice, and Rachita would say, I want to eat noodles. Mummy, make both. You love her more, so you're making rice. You love her more because you're making noodles. I said, okay, I'm going to make both of them. So now, as you see, the rice is ready. I have some soya sauce here, but I think I'm not going to put it today. I like the color like this. I'm going to add some spring onion greens and keep some for garnish. It's looking lovely, isn't it? So here goes the lovely chicken fried rice. You can just eat it as is, or you can add some, you can give some chili sauce or some more Szechuan sauce or ketchup if the kids like it. Kriti just loves it like this. All her friends would say, "Auntie, when are you making the fried rice?" In fact, even till date, they come home and they say, "Make the fried rice, Auntie. We love it." And some lovely spring onion greens. So there you have it, my version of chicken fried rice, especially for Kriti and her friends. I do hope you try it and do let us know how did this recipe turn out. That's all for now. See you later.